Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your MacBook Pro. First, it's absolutely crucial to back up all your important data. You can use Time Machine with an external hard drive or cloud services like iCloud or Google Drive. This step ensures none of your precious files, photos, or documents are lost during the process. Make sure your MacBook Pro is plugged into power and disconnect any external devices before proceeding to the next steps for a smooth experience. Next, you need to sign out of all your personal accounts to protect your privacy and to link your device. Go to System Settings, click on your name, and sign out of your Apple ID. Then, open the Music app, go to Account Authorizations, deauthorize this computer. Don't forget to sign out of Messages and iCloud as well. This prevents your MacBook Pro from being associated with your accounts after it's erased and potentially sold or given away. Now, let's erase the drive. Restart your MacBook Pro and immediately press and hold Command and R until you see the Apple logo. This enters macOS Recovery. From the Utilities window, select Disk Utility. Choose your main internal drive, usually named Macintosh HD, and click Erase. Select Apps as the format and GUID partition map as the scheme. Confirm the erase. Understanding this will permanently delete all data on that drive. Finally, it's time to reinstall macOS. Once the erase is complete, close Disk Utility. Back in the Utilities window, select Reinstall macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions, choosing your newly erased drive as the destination. Your MacBook Pro will download and install a fresh copy of the operating system. This process requires an internet connection and can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on your connection speed. Once finished, your MacBook Pro will be ready for a new user.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.